Princess Rainbow's Adventure. Once upon a time, in the Kingdom of Colors, each color lived happily in its own special region. Blue Lake, Red Mountain, Yellow Meadow, and other colors lived contentedly with their own kind, but they never really knew each other. One day, a new princess arrived in the Kingdom of Colors, Princess Rainbow. Princess Rainbow wanted to bring all the colors together. She decided to organize a grand party to encourage the colors to get to know each other and play together. When the party day arrived, the Kingdom of Colors was vibrant and full of joy. Blue Lake, Red Mountain, Yellow Meadow, Green Forest, and all the colors gathered together. Princess Rainbow gave each color a special task: to play games and get to know each other better. Blue Lake, Red Mountain, and Yellow Meadow mixed colors together to create new hues. Green Forest organized a feelings card game to learn about the emotions each color represented. Princess Rainbow sang a special song to each color, reminding them how beautiful the Kingdom of Colors was. After these fun activities, the colors got to know each other better, became friends, and played together. The Kingdom of Colors, under the leadership of Princess Rainbow, became even more vibrant and cheerful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye!